Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I just want to give you a quick look on the Echopark Scrapbook kit for this month. It's a quarterly subscription. They release like 4 in a year, and it's really high quality products that match. And I got the fall one, I got the Christmas one. It was really awesome. So I just want to show you what we have in here. So you have 12 by 12 paper. I'll show you all the details. You have 6 by 6, you have a chipboard, you have an ephemera pack, a stamp, and some enamel dots. So I just want to show you the details just in case you're interested, because they have the Cartabella paper. And it's very thick, guys. This is like mini album material. So let's start with, they give you a 6 by 6 paper pad. This collection, all of it is called Home Again. And, you know, you can use this all year long. Cards, everything pretty much. Coincidentally, I already bought this from Amazon last year, and I've been playing with it, so I'm excited to actually put them together. So this one is a Home Again collection. It is so beautiful, like the muted colors. This would be perfect actually for masculine cards. I hope you can see the details. Look at the beautiful muted colors. So it's perfect for masculine cards if you want to scrapbook the guys in your life, or just, you know, anything that you like to talk about. I was thinking of scrapbooking my home and what we're currently doing, our routines, because it's always nice to look back when the kids are older, like what they were doing at this age. And it's just always fun to talk about, like, what's their favorite food, the recipes, who they're hanging out with. And so nice to look back. Look how pretty. There's a lot of elements, like the truck. That's been a constant this year for this kit. They have a Christmas truck. They had a spring truck. They still have this truck for the home. A lot of these signs that are farmhouse signs. It feels like a farmhouse vibe to me with a masculine touch. It's super cute, guys. I suggest you get it before it runs out. Look how many tags you get with this one. Just a nice simple bow, and then this stripe. Looks like a muted sky blue to me. And this is just like a jade color. This one says, I hope it focuses. It says fresh cut flowers. Sorry, I don't know why it's not focusing today. It normally focuses. So, you know, you can cut letters here and put it here to make your own sign. That's super cute. Just a plain stripe. So it's really perfect for anything you'd like. Masculine cards is like, so it repeats. So you're gonna get 24 pieces. This is double-sided, high-quality paper. And you get 24 sheets. So that's 12 designs of double-sided. And then we get the enamel dots that matches the collection perfectly. And then the chipboard accent. So this is so cute, guys. This would be like a great title already for your scrapbooks or your mini albums. That's what I'm planning to do. I'm going to use this for No Paper Left Behind in the next few months. because this is such a beautiful, beautiful collection. Absolutely gorgeous. This is us, our life, our story, our home. Wouldn't this be the perfect title for your mini album? Like just talking about how your home looks like at this moment, like a currently kind of situation. And then let's not forget the stamps. The stamps are also super beautiful. It's just a little bit on the small side. I wish they would make it a little bit bigger. But the past collections is this size. But they're beautiful. I wish it was a little bit bigger so that we can make our own ephemera with it. It's just too small for me. But that's why it was harder for me to use it. But it's still beautiful and I'm still grateful. So that's that. And then let's talk about the paper first before we go to the ephemera. So this is the paper. Let's start with the first sheet. How beautiful, guys. So pretty. So very beautiful. And then the next is a gingham. Like ginghams I feel like are perfect. Same with buffalo checks. And then this one is a cut apart sheet. And the quality, you can hear it. It's very thick. Wouldn't this be perfect for your Project Life album? Or just an album that you want to put your recipes. Excuse me. You want to put your recipes. You want to make gift tags if you made somebody some cookies, homemade cookies or something. And look how pretty that is. That'd be perfect. And then look how pretty this is, guys. It's like wreaths. And they have different sentiments. And then you can put your sentiments right here, I think. Look. You are my home. Wouldn't that be cute? Or home sweet home. It all fits. I think this is what it's made for. Gather together. There's no place like home. Welcome home. Yeah, it fits. Most of them fits. But isn't that perfect? You know me. You know what I did to the previous pad. I cut it all up. And then, like these parts that have been cut, I made flowers out of them. But I'm going to show you what I did in my No Paper Left Behind challenge, okay? I don't know what the name of these flowers are. Let me know down below if you know the name. I think it's magnolias, but I'm not sure. And I love this. It's so, so perfect, you guys. Look at this wood grain paper. Wouldn't this be super awesome to like make your own sign like this? I thought it would be so awesome because I have some stamps that look like that, like a frame, and I'm really, really excited. So this is like a strip of paper. How pretty are these to cut? And yes, we will make embellishments out of them, that's for sure. And then the other side is that same print, beautiful greens. And yes, definitely I would cut this apart to make embellishments. And the other side is so pretty. So that's going to be hard. I think what I did to the other pad is I just did half. And then this is like hundreds of tags. Super cute. You know what you can do for this is you can put it on, like, if you're sending something to somebody, like homemade stuff, or, you know, rosemary butter or garlic butter. That would be such a cute tag, wouldn't it? Or breads, like flavored breads. Here's another cut apart sheet, guys. It's super perfect. This would be great as the front part of a mini album, wouldn't it? So cute. Some house rules. And still, the quality of paper is like amazing. And then some bows in the back. I want to replicate this because there's a bow stamp that this kit has. This kit is so worth it. It's $30 or 29 something, and then $35 shipped. I just look forward to these kits every single time that they come out of projects. And then this one. Make sure you click the auto ship, because that's what happened to me. That's what happened to me before. Like, I didn't get the entire kit. You have to click auto ship. Learn from my mistakes. So that's why I canceled my Felicity Jane and switched to this. So pretty. Wow, look at that. Isn't that pretty, you guys? And this is not too bright. And this is also perfect. Love it. So what you can do with this is just cut them into strips and then back it with the gingham to make your own frame. Wouldn't that be great? So that it looks like you made your own frame. And then you can just stamp like this. This is the idea. I'm going to replace it with a white. And then I'm going to use the dark gingham, which is... Let me find it. So you have a light gingham here, which is perfect. See? Or the dark gingham that I showed you. I'm very excited. That one is a truck and the light gingham. And I think that's it. And then you get an entire 12 by 12 sticker sheet. This is just so perfect. And you don't have to really back it up with cardstock because it's not very flimsy. Not unless you want to make ephemera with it, because it's thick enough. Look at that. Look at those jars. Sugar, oats, and flour. And again, the same thing, which is, this is my favorite part. See, you can make your own, you can just handwrite it and make your own frames. I love that. We all have a lot of sentiment stamps, and we can make our own like this. The last part, guys, the last part is the die cut ephemera pieces. I know I said it's gonna be quick. Yeah, I'm on my way to work too, sorry. But I want to show you what they have gathered together. So cute. I just want to show you before they run out of inventory, because I just got this yesterday. The magical thing about home is that it feels good to leave and even better to come back. So cute. This is perfect for mini albums, cards, home, tags for homemade goodies. I love Cartabella. Cute, right, guys? So pretty. It's really, really pretty. I don't understand why it's not focusing. I hope you can see it, because I want you to see the gorgeous details of this collection. Bless this house. How cute is this? Like a shaped die cut, and then the frame in the middle. So there's this little tag fishtail. So just tags that, you can layer it up. I don't know. Can't seem to be able to grab it. You can layer it. Right? Definitely. Just layer it up and then you're good to go. Get some foam embellishments. So cute. Look at that. And this you can take apart. Take a sample of the paper that they have. How cute, right? Our happy place. That would be perfect. if you're scrapbooking your current home, or if you have a new home that you want to scrapbook, right? So sweet. Bless this house. Here's another one. There's this tiny little one. Welcome to our home. Okay, so that's the end of that's all of the ephemera pieces. So guys, I hope you enjoyed that that whole video. And if this collection, if you like it, I suggest you go to echopark.com as soon as you can, because I'm not sure if they still have any more inventory left. So good luck. I hope you have a wonderful time. Stay tuned for the No Paper Left Behind videos that I'm going to be doing for this collection. I'm super, super excited. I'm pumped. Take care, guys. Have a wonderful crafty day. Thank you for your support. Please consider subscribing and liking my video and subscribing to my channel. Take care. This is Christian signing off. Bye.